Hi, this is Vinayak Koja from Linux Tutors. We are here with a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about the security groups. What are security groups and why they are being used in AWS and what is their use case. So stay connected. So here you can see on your screen that we have something which is in the middle. We have the server, then we have the incoming, then the outgoing traffic as well. And we have a term there written as open port. So what are the ports? With the very basic, we'll be starting here. What are the ports are? Let's assume that internet is an ocean. Internet is a complete ocean, and to land somewhere, to stay somewhere, to connect with someone, you need to have a port. And you can decide who can land on that port, who can stay, who can come through that port, or who can go through that port. So that's the same concept we implemented with our servers as well. Internet is the oceans and we have our land in the form of server. So to connect our internet and our server, we need to have an intermediator between them, which is a port. Now, how things work is, let me explain you. In this particular video, we are going to talk about that point. So what are those points are basically nothing but how you interact with those ports. See, the main functionality of the port is to allow your incoming traffic. Now, what is incoming traffic? Incoming traffic is something, let's say that you have your website. Let's say that we have a website, amazon.com. Now, you are accessing this website from somewhere around the globe. So you can access this website because the port number 80 or 443, they are open for everybody. Anybody can access the websites through these particular ports. Why only these two particular ports? Because this one stands for HTTP and this one holds your request for HTTPS. So every port has its own significance, and in Linux servers we have 65,000 ports. Approximately 65,000 ports are available. Yes, so incoming ports are also there and the traffic that should flow through your ports are also there. So majority, like most of the times, we have port number 80, 443 and 22 open for the accepting the traffic. Why port number 22? Because it accepts your SSH connections. Okay, now what is HTTP, HTTPS, SSH? Do not worry about anything. In our course, we cover up everything from the basic to advanced level. So in upcoming videos, we are definitely going to talk about them. Now, how this is related? See, let's say that we have this server. This is our security group. This complete wall is our security group. Security groups act as a firewall. Okay, the firewalls are being used for restricting the unwanted traffic that we can avoid using the specific ports. Let's say that I want this port to be accessible from my IP address only, from my address only. So you can do that as well. And in the AWS, incoming requests are called as inbound rules. And the outgoing requests are known as outbound rules. So we have a set of rules specifically set up for ourselves, and how to do that we'll show you this time in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video where we'll be explaining you how to use the AWS security groups for managing the incoming and outgoing traffic of your server. Thank you. Have a good day.